Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Binding of Isaac Afterbirth. I know I started it off in a different area, but I kind of just got lazy. Ooh, the item's good. Ugh. Okay, if you look at him right now, tell me, where the fuck does his eyes go? Number one question a day. Question for the video. Where does his eyes go? It's not on the back of his head. Because clearly, they just fully disappear. It's like magic. I take a piss on my enemies. Take that, good sir. Get back, get back, get back. I don't understand how the fuck I'm peeing out of fire, which usually doesn't really work that much. Come on. Spam me some coins. I'm playing trash right now. Ooh. Thank you, fire. You're my best friend, fire. Only when you're not red. For coins and shit. Are you fucking kidding me? I hate it when bosses have little guys here. It's just annoying. Fucking see how much I'm pushing him back? Montro's so fucking happy all the time. I envy that. Because whenever he jumps, he's like, yeah. Whoa. Fuck. No. I'm not dying. I refuse. Who knows, I get a whole $1. Probability of me getting that lucky is super low. Damn it! Oh well, fuck it. Just gonna bomb right here. Because it felt like it. And I get another bomb as a reward. Ah, damn it. This game's not a dick and fucking just cutting me off. I wonder if any countries actually force people to play video games. Answer that down in the comments below. Maybe China does, I'm not sure. Dirty bomb! I believe in you, bomb. Let me down, bomb. I believe in you, bomb. Let me down. God, there's so much letdowns here. Ha! Fell right through my trip card. Infestation shot too. I don't know what that does. Shit, I forgot I already was here. Let me look that up. From what I can gather.
One makes you large.
Damn it, flat pancake. I don't understand the point of those. It just pretty much majority of this shot kills him. How much damage am I doing? Cloak. Sin up. Spectral body. Nice. Got these 2 coins. And head the fuck down. I feel I should take a selfie, but those are gay. Completely and utterly destroyed. Yeah, these are all shit items. Oh my god. It's fucking crazy shit going on here. And they're all dead. That's what they get for touching me. Okay, I'm gonna see how many spiders I got. I think I got 5. Fucking I'm starting to go colorblind because these fucking weird colors. Fucking made a spider boss out of him. That's actually a neat name. Speed up plus size down. I like the sound of that. Poor Isaac. They will all become my spider.
2 of spades.
See what this does. That's nice to have. Ew, what's this? Wheel of Fortune. Do 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 do. I'm Batman. I fucking look like I'm part of a cult. And the item is Halo Flies. Sweet. Got protection. Yeah, I'm not getting any of the items in the shop this time around until it breaks. It's my #1 rule. I can't get the items unless I have a shit ton of coins and I can donate with having some left over. There's one up there I did not notice. Another bomb bites dust. Up. What a waste. I don't have luck. Fuck, pee on him. Fucking, I got protection. Untouched. Here we go. It's me, a Mario. Yahoo! Boing. Tend to go be a bitch like that too and just say, oh, it's all copyrighted, because I know Nintendo fucking has problems with people using their things. I completely understand why, but it's still dickish. Ooh. I don't know how P's gonna work, but... Kinda sad that... Fuck! Well, that room was kinda pointless. Okay. Beat the shit out of them. Ugh. Get him, spiders. Spider Squad. And he's dead. And another heart. Damn it, I wasted it. Alright. Wait, am I able to get the... Nah, it's not the same item. Let's blow this guy up. It's a win-win since we got enemies. Up. Put that coin in the box. 280. Yeah. See how high we can go. Pretty sure it's like level 9 maybe. Who the fuck knows? Oh shit, not these guys. I hate these guys. They're like my least favorite enemy. Because of their tap mechanic. For a second I thought I got a dime. Yeah. Fucking easy. How fast am I fire? Oh, it's max. It's not that fast. Sweet. Alright, let's go fuck up the boss. If we ever fucking find him. God. Down here? Nope. Fuck. Wait, do I one-shot these? No, I thought I do. Alright, and behind door number 2 is the boss room. Aw, not this guy. Why do they have to put him in? Shit. Shit, I thought he was gonna do the ground attack. And now he's a spider. I made him a spider, bitch! I'm fine with being small. I don't know if take it as a debuff or not. Surely doesn't feel like one. Yeah. I could get good items from it. Bumbo wants coins. Oop, fire. That was close. Ooh, I'm gonna save that. For when I beat the boss. Because I get another heart if I just jump down. But I don't want to lose it. Yeah! Fetus! I hate debuffs. They're so saddening. Damn it! I hate these guys. They fucking... I don't understand the point of them. And the coin. Totally worth it. I love Bob's brain. I don't know why people hate him. He's nice. Especially for the mom fight. And free explosives. Thanks. You couldn't have grabbed the bomb, could ya? Damn dirty bum. Stealing all the coins. Hoarding them. Well, at least he gives us items. Yeah. Shit. Fuck pee in my mom's eyes. Shit. Well, so much for that heart. Alright, let's see what I can get here. Is that all? For a boss fight. Is this really worth it? Don't cry over it. Sure. These boss fights aren't that hard. I love how much effort they make you go through. Necropolis. I don't know what that is. Yeah, let's fuck him up. Run, bitch. But you can't. Ah, shit. This one's pretty much a reincarnation. Oh, shit. I didn't know I had a weak spawn, his ass. Whoa! So much spiders! Kick his ass! This shit goes by so fucking fast. Fucking... I feel so overpowered. What the fuck did I even pick? Oh, milk. I think that's a fucking overpowered boss for the spider eye. On. Fucking spraying like a machine gun. Fucking rocks. What's this? Charm tears. Nice. Nice. Another tear. I would not mind going back. Alright, we're about to face the second to last boss. Actually, we're finishing this video pretty fast. Got milk. Fucking die. Fucking, I could use. Fuck that shit. No! Fuck! I knew I should have used it. Well, see you guys in the next one. You know what? No. You guys are gonna fucking see the rest. Fucking go try again, you guys are gonna fucking get a longer episode. 'Cause I'm gonna beat it in this one. Toxic blast. Butt bombs. I hate butt bombs. I haven't gotten it yet, but I already know it's gonna be a crap thing. Hit all these. I'm gonna cut this after we beat this boss, so you guys have to watch part 1 or part 2. Which will be uploaded tomorrow. I had such good items. This boss isn't that bad. Okay, where the fuck is the music? It's in fucking... Okay. There we go. It was bothering me. Play it nice and careful. You know what? I'm gonna beat one more boss because that wasn't really exciting for extra portion. Alright, let's go find that boss. Let's go beat the shit out of the boss. I need more damage. Or fire rate. Or a different tier blast. Blow him up. Oh, it heals him! What the fuck? I find that stupid. What a smart mechanic. I can't dodge that shit. Gotta kill him or I die. I will see you guys in the next one. Right after this clip plays. Bye-bye.